What is AI trading and does it really work? Today we're testing Supreme Pro AI Trading Bot. This AI analyzes a huge amount of data. You decide whether to follow it or not.
Let's start trading. First, go to our community bot. Then click on the shortcut button and select Supreme Pro AI. Now you will get the official username. Click on the binary trading button and select your market type, OTC or live market. Let's start with OTC. Next, pick your broker, and then pick any OTC pair for analysis. Select your trading time. Supreme Pro AI is analyzing. Let's wait for our AI to give us a sell, down signal. Let's execute my trade on the pocket option broker. Okay. Okay, successfully non-martingale profit. Let's take more trades. A full tutorial on how to use this AI bot is also available on this channel, and I have put the link in the description. Like and comment which broker you need for trading in the next video. Now, enjoy the full video.
Switch me on and hang on tight. I'm party coded, activated for the night. I'm party coded, wave your hands in flashing lights. I'm party coded, gotta jump if you feel alright. Right now is our only moment. Free ourselves and unplug now. Move your body and shut your mouth. Not so hard if you work it out. I'm party coded, liberated, and uncontrolled. I'm party coded, color popped, and ready to go. I'm party coded with that white chicken set too low. I'm party coded, let me hear you scream. No more talking, just these motions. Feel the beat, you got permission. Move your body and shut your mouth. Not so hard if you work it out. Feel it go.
Try it yourself. This bot is free and available to everyone on any device. Follow the link on the screen or in the description to get it. Good luck with your deals and see you again!